Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel for all orchid lovers. Surely everyone dreams of owning a garden filled with blooming flowers year-round. The Wonder Garden channel always shares organic care methods to help your orchids stay healthy naturally without the need for chemical fertilizers. To give you more options for your beloved orchid pots, today I will guide you on how to make organic fertilizer from familiar kitchen ingredients that you might not expect. When you apply this recipe, your orchids will bloom vibrantly year-round, with healthy pots, radiant flowers, glossy green and sturdy leaves, and new roots continuously growing, white and plump with moisture. Watch the entire video to discover the recipe. Do you often eat apples? Whenever I eat an apple, I usually peel it to enjoy the crisp, sweet flesh inside. Today I will use exactly one apple like this. And as usual, I start by peeling the skin. But you know what? The peel, which seems like something to discard, is actually a fantastic ingredient for caring for your beloved orchid pots. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Instead of throwing it away, I chop the apple peel into small pieces. Apple peels contain many beneficial nutrients for plants, especially potassium, a mineral that promotes healthy root development and supports the orchid's flowering process. Additionally, apple peels are rich in antioxidants and a small amount of natural sugars, which, when broken down, nourish beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium. After chopping, I put all the pieces into a blender. The next ingredient I will use is baking soda. Baking soda helps balance the pH of the solution, preventing the growth of fungal diseases in humid environments, something orchids are prone to, especially during the rainy season or when humidity is too high. I will use 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Add it to 500 milliliters of clean water. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Then blend the mixture thoroughly. Blending helps release the nutrients from the apple peels and fully dissolves the baking soda into the water, creating a solution that is both nutrient-rich and naturally antibacterial. After blending, I will use a sieve to filter out all the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. Thorough filtering ensures the mixture doesn't have sediment when used, especially when spraying on leaves or watering the base of the plant. Next, I will dilute this clear liquid with 2 liters of clean water. Dilution is essential to ensure the nutrient concentration is suitable, allowing the plant to absorb it easily without shocking or overloading the roots. Method 1. I will use a soft cotton pad. evenly soaked with the diluted fertilizer solution made from apple peels and baking soda. Then gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. Wiping the leaves is not just a cleaning step, but also a way to help the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. Clean leaves can easily absorb light and perform photosynthesis, a crucial process for the healthy growth and flowering of orchids. Apple peels contain many antioxidants like quercetin, catechin, chlorogenic acid, along with a small amount of vitamin C and minerals. These substances are not only good for humans, but also support plants by enhancing disease resistance and stimulating metabolic processes in the leaves. When wiping the leaves with this solution, the beneficial compounds in the apple peels are absorbed directly through the leaves, nourishing them from the outside. Baking soda in the mixture has natural antibacterial, antiseptic, and antifungal properties, helping to eliminate bacteria and molds lurking on the leaves. This is a highly effective method to prevent common orchid diseases like leaf spots, leaf rot, or white fungal infections. After wiping, you'll notice the leaves become cleaner, glossier, and healthier. A good sign that the plant is absorbing nutrients and recovering quickly. Especially wiping the undersides of the leaves thoroughly is crucial, as this is where small insects like aphids, red spider mites, or thrips, major culprits in damaging leaves and flowers, often hide. You should apply this method once a month, combined with other care practices, to keep your orchids comprehensively protected, healthy, and ready to bloom vibrantly year-round. Method 2. To help the plant absorb nutrients optimally, I will start by rinsing the entire pot with clean water. This is a very important step that many people often overlook. Pre-watering moistens the growing medium, softening the soil or pine bark, allowing the roots to open up and be ready to receive new nutrients from the liquid fertilizer. Additionally, this rinsing step washes away impurities, excess salts, or leftover fertilizer from previous applications, preventing the plant from experiencing fertilizer shock or root burn. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After rinsing, I will use the diluted liquid fertilizer made from apple peels and baking soda, pouring it directly at the base of the plant. Water slowly to allow the fertilizer to soak evenly into the growing medium and around the root zone. The nutrients from the apple peels, such as vitamin C, minerals, antioxidants, combined with the antibacterial and pH balancing properties of baking soda, will be gradually absorbed by the roots, helping the plant recover, boost resilience, and grow stronger. This method is especially suitable for orchid pots in the root nurturing phase or recovering after repotting, as the roots are very sensitive at this stage and need gentle, natural, and safe nutrient sources. You should apply this watering method about 1 to 2 times a month, depending on the plant's health and weather conditions. During the rainy season, you can space it out further. In the dry season, the plant needs more regular watering and nutrition to avoid deficiencies. Method 3. After watering the base with the liquid fertilizer, I will proceed with the third method, misting the entire plant. This method not only cools and provides moisture to the plant, but also serves as foliar feeding, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients directly, quickly, and effectively. I will use a spray bottle containing the diluted fertilizer solution made from apple peels and baking soda. Then gently mist over the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, around the stem, and even the aerial roots if present. These are the areas where the plant most easily absorbs nutrients when the fertilizer is misted finely. Apple peels provide organic acids, vitamins, antioxidants, and potassium, which enhance the plant's resilience and stimulate metabolic processes. Baking soda's natural antibacterial properties help prevent mold, eliminate some small insects, and clean the leaf surface, improving photosynthesis. After misting, you should take care to use a clean cloth or soft cotton to gently wipe away any water droplets lingering in the leaf crevices. This step is very important, especially for Phalaenopsis orchids, a type of orchid prone to stem rot if water remains in sensitive areas for too long. Gently wiping helps the plant dry faster, reduces the risk of bacterial infection, and creates a well-aerated environment, allowing the orchid to grow healthier and more beautifully durable. Do you have orchids that are blooming like this? When the plant is blooming like this, I strongly advise against removing the moss or repotting the plant. During this phase, the plant is focusing all its energy on nourishing the flowers. If you interfere with the growing medium, such as removing moss, repotting, or disturbing the roots, you will indirectly disrupt the nutrient transport process, causing stress to the plant, which can lead to bud drop, flower drop, or leaf wilting. Additionally, repotting at this time can damage the actively functioning root system, causing the plant to lose its vital nutrient anchor and recover slowly after the flowers fade. Instead, you should gently remove the old plastic pot and carefully trim away any dry or rotten roots that no longer function in nutrient absorption. This pruning not only eliminates potential disease sources, but also encourages the plant to develop new, healthier roots. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Then, choose a larger pot with good ventilation holes to give the plant more space to grow. Gently place the orchid in the new pot, ensuring the roots are spread evenly around rather than coiled as they were in the old pot. Then, cover the base with clean, processed pine bark, helping the plant expand its living space and escape the confinement of the old environment. A new, well-aerated, slightly moist, and spacious environment will be ideal for the root system to recover and grow stronger. With healthy roots, the plant will absorb nutrients efficiently, recover quickly, maintain blooming, and keep flowers lasting longer. Use the remaining fertilizer solution to water this orchid. You should not water directly onto the moss at the base, as moss retains water very well and can cause root rot if the moisture level is not controlled. Instead, water evenly around the rim of the pot, onto the outer pine bark. The nutrients will gradually soak inward, providing just enough moisture to nourish the plant without overwetting. This watering method keeps the roots well aerated, prevents root rot, and helps the orchid grow more sustainably. After caring for the orchids with this method, place the plant in a cool, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. On regular days, you only need to mist or water the plant with clean water. Results. After applying this method, you will see your orchids recover very quickly. The leaves become glossy and sturdier, and the root system grows healthy, firmly anchoring to the growing medium. This is a sign that the plant is absorbing nutrients well and adapting to its new environment. What's special is that blooming flowers last longer and don't fade quickly as before. Orchids nurtured with organic methods have richer colors, thick and glossy petals, and bloom evenly on the stem, creating an elegant and enduring beauty. Not only orchids, but many other garden plants, when cared for with natural methods like this, will also grow healthily, with lush green leaves, abundant new shoots, and better disease resistance. When you nurture your plants with love and gentle natural methods, they will reward you with beautiful, long-lasting flowers. What do you think about today's organic fertilizer method for orchid care? Please leave a comment below so that I and others can learn from your experiences. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to stay updated with simple yet effective natural plant care tips. Thank you for always joining me and this little garden. Wishing you joy and peace with your beautiful plant pots. See you in the next video.